Welcome to meditation for beginners. This will be about 15 minutes guided meditation. Don't worry if you've never done any meditation before. The most important is that you find a nice relaxed position. So sit either on a cushion or on the chair. You can sit cross-legged, you can have legs open, you can lean against the wall, anything that is comfortable position for you to stay in for 15 minutes. Relax nicely your shoulders, just allow yourself to really release any tension, anything that may disturb your position. So you can wiggle a little bit, you can just make sure that you are nice and soft, and then slowly start closing your eyes. You can have your hands onto your thighs or knees, or you can have them in your lap. And then we take a few nice deeper breaths. Feeling the flow of the breaths as it comes in, as it goes out. And then slowly tune into your sit bones. And just feel that you have sit bones nicely evenly distributed on the floor, on the cushion, on the chair. You are not leaning to any side, and you are nice and upright but relaxed. Slowly start softening within the body. You may notice that your hips are the base for the body. The hips are nicely grounding towards the earth. Maybe you may feel some heaviness through your hips. And then following the legs. If you are cross-legged, you may notice that it's creating like a triangle, supporting the entire body in a seated position. If you are sitting on the chair, you may sense that your legs are rooting down towards the ground. And then connecting to your feet, being in touch with the ground. So just for a few moments, noticing the hips and your legs, keeping your eyes closed. Few more moments with your hips, your legs and feet. Feel the touch of the ground. Feel how it's creating base support for the body. maybe some weight or heaviness within that part of the body. And then slowly bringing your awareness from your feet through your legs into your hips. And then from your hips, start being aware of your spine, growing from the hips up towards the head, like a nice straight line. Now slowly start being aware of the entire upper body. Feel the connection with the hips and then how it's rising up towards the sky. Nice and upright but relaxed. Sensing the shoulders, sensing the arms, the hands, and then slowly moving up towards the top of the head. Noticing the entire body. And you may sense that the upper body is lighter, growing up towards the sky, lengthening, opening. And the bottom part of the body from the hips down, grounding, more connecting with the space, with the ground, creating the base. Sensing the entire body from top of the head to tip of your toes, from tip of your toes to top of the head. And now slowly, just for a few moments, bring your awareness towards your hands, noticing your hands, maybe resting on your thighs or knees, or maybe on top of each other in your lap. You can gently wiggle with your fingers if you can't connect with your hands. Maybe you can notice the touch of the cloth or on your skin. Again, slowly being aware of the hands, sensing the hands, maybe even being aware of the temperature between the hands and legs, or the hand and hand. And now slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a nice few deeper breaths as you inhale, as you exhale. And after a few deeper breaths, go back to natural breath, observing the flow of the breath as it comes in, as it goes out. Anytime when your mind starts wandering away from the breath, just gently bring your awareness back to your hands. If you can't sense them, wiggle a little bit with your hands. Ground yourself, bring yourself to the present moment. And then again slowly bring your awareness towards your breath. Observing the natural flow of the breath. Coming in, going out. And now once again, take a nice few deeper breaths. And sensing the entire body. As you inhale, opening the entire body as you breathe. As you exhale, release. As you inhale, open. As you exhale, release. Bringing your awareness back to the entire body. Again, being aware from tip of your toes to top of the head, and from top of the head to tip of your toes. Then creating a gentle smile on your face, just by gently lifting the edges of your mouth up towards the eyes. Bringing your hands into praying position in front of your heart. And just for a few moments, connecting to your heart, connecting to yourself, to the presence of yourself, of your being. May you find this meditation beneficial for yourself, and may you and everyone else benefit from your connection to yourself and the entire being and world. Thank you very much.